This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Are you feeling heaty? Here's a simple Gingko nut and lotus seed dessert that will cool you down and pick you up. Serve this cooling dessert with a hard-boiled egg and you will have a bowl of hearty goodness.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
First, prepare the hard-boiled eggs. Put 4 room temperature eggs in a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Lower the heat to a simmer and simmer the eggs for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the lotus seeds and Gingko nuts. These are pre-cooked lotus seeds and Gingko nuts. You can buy them from the supermarket. They usually come in vacuum packs. Split them in half and remove the bitter center if any. You can look through some of the lotus seeds to see if there's anything inside. After 8 minutes, pour the hot water away and soak the eggs in cool water. In 1.5 liters of water, add in the lotus seeds, Gingko nuts, and Pandan leaves. When it comes to a boil, lower the heat and let it simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the pandan leaves. Add in the rock sugar. I ran out of rock sugar, so I'm using 100 grams of normal sugar here. Taste and adjust the level of sweetness according to your preference. When the sugar has dissolved, add in the eggs. This brew can be served hot or cold. A cooling relief when you're feeling heaty. Gingko nuts and lotus seeds with hard-boiled eggs.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.